You can construct a try, except, finally block, but the problem is, what if you have multiple exceptions and you want to deal with them separately? Let me show you how to deal with multiple exceptions. So here I'm going to be showing you how you can deal with multiple exceptions, how you can handle multiple exceptions. And here I'm going to write some basic code. I'm going to define my main procedure here, and I'm going to say very simply x equals 1 divided by 0. Now you know this is going to fail. Very simply, right? I'm going to do Python multi-except, right? It's telling me 0 division error. That's the name of the exception. What if I changed this around and I said f equals open file x.txt. Now that file is not there. When I run this now, it says file not found error. Specific exception. No such file or directory. Yeah? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do try, and then I'm going to create a generic exception, and then I'm going to say print a problem occurred, like so. And I'm going to run this, and it just says a problem occurred, right? This exception caught it. It caught a generic exception, and the problem was right here, that the file wasn't found, and it hit this exception. Well, let's go below this, and we're going to do exception file not found error, and we're going to do as E, and then I'm going to do print problem is, and I'm going to do E, like so. Save this, run this, and look what it says. It says except must be last, right? Except must be last in this case. So it's basically telling me that if I want to have a problem, if I want to have an exception, I need to troubleshoot it properly. Now, this is what it's really referring to. It's saying that this is a file not found error. The general exception right here needs to be last. This is a specific error, which is file not found error, associated with this. But this piece of error right here that says except must be last is telling me that this except code, this right here, needs to be placed at the bottom of the file because order matters. I'm going to save this, run it, and now it says, okay, my problem is right here, see it? And then it says no such file or directory. Okay? So it caught the file not found error. Let's say I show the file that is there. I have a file in here called file1.txt. There it is right there. If I run this now, let me save it. If I run this now it says a problem occurred because it dropped down to this except, the general exception. It ran into this issue right here.